Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So let's just start off with Euro USD as usual, and just want to put this channel in here. So we do have a channel, and not there. We want it sort of over there. So it does look like we've sort of gapped down below the bottom of the channel. We did break out going into the close of the week as well. Oscillator's not giving us much. I think more than likely we have a fairly strong level here, which we are testing. So if we get down to the hour, what we should be looking for here, and I'm going to do two levels for us. Yeah, there it is. So we basically need to break below the low of Friday. So let's just adjust that there. Break below the low of Friday, come back and retest that area. That should break this channel / range and get the momentum back to the downside. So that's kind of the view. I think there would be a fairly decent opportunity here at the weekly gap. So we've gapped down, so get back, come and test this 105.479, and then for a retest of this zone, which is between 105.070 and 104.839. So this 105 area is where we're sort of battling to get through it. I think for me at the moment, I'm going to treat this as a break of a potential range at the moment, or channel. So we'll see what happens at the gap here. If we reject that area, then you've definitely got a move. But the problem is your stop is 640 points for a 600 odd point gain. So it's a 1-to-1. So two choices here: either sit back and wait for it, or look for the scalps on the lower time frames. And I think if you look from the 15-minute, you should see a little bit more structure. So a move back into this area here. You can see something over there. You can get away with 121 point stop loss for at least another visit here, which would be a 400 point gain. So 15-minute chart is more than likely the way to go. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, kind of a similar situation. We're just hovering around here, battling to get through this previous high of 2 weeks ago. We did gap up, but it does look like there's a bit of selling coming in. So at the moment, we're looking for pullbacks, and the thing is, you've got a potential double top here. So what I want to do is just adjust this level here. That's kind of what happened on Friday. You can see we gapped up, came back, and didn't really do anything. So lots of gaps all the way up. You see there's gaps down here, and then you have this gap here. So there's another weekly gap here. So as far as I'm concerned, it's too gappy. I'd want to see some structure down here, close these gaps, and then move on. Oscillator's also indicating we don't want to be jumping up or jumping in long up here. So pull back into this area, see what happens. 130.300, but again, this is going to be a 15-minute scenario. So what I would be doing is paying attention to the gap firstly. So you can see there's a gap. 340 point stop loss. Let's just get that. So 340, let's just get to the bottom of that. 490 point stop loss for 600 point gain. So almost a 1-to-1 trade. So I'd want to see these oscillators eased off on the 15-minute as well. So I'm not interested in jumping in long here. Wait for the pullback, see if the pullback actually gives us some structure, and then look for the opportunity. Dollar's not looking exciting. Moving on to the pound Japanese yen. We had most of last week rejecting this area. We've got a crossover here. We're now hovering around on the 155 EMA. Problem I do have is that the oscillators are looking like they're starting to cross over for a move back to the upside. So this breakthrough that we had here is definitely the area we want to wait at. So get down to the hour. You'll see there's two levels here. There's the first swing low, and there's a second swing low, and then you've got a couple more swing lows in here. This previous swing high here on Thursday last week is your stop area at the moment. So we're looking for a pullback into here. We're looking for a pullback into the zone between 162.120 and 161.812. Price can get back into that area. We are in a downtrend at the moment, and we sort of have a potential trend reversal brewing. And if you look at this big head and shoulders forming here, we'd obviously obviously need to drop below this area here for that to be validated. That's 159.412. But it does look like this move of the last couple of weeks is coming to an end. So a lot of pressure on the pound at the moment. 15 minutes, again, you can see Friday, nothing really worth trading on the 15 minute there, all over the place. So for me, if we take the 15 minutes, what you're looking for is this area of the current lows. So it's going to be sort of a London breakout strategy. Break below here, and then what we're looking for is, just get it, we're looking for a 800 point stop loss, but you have a potential for a fairly strong move here. So 800 point stop loss, so the first thing you're looking for is 800 point gain, and then you have a target down here of 1,250 points. So fairly decent opportunity here. Just wait for the pullback, wait for the structure, and I prefer a deeper pullback right up into this area, 162.120 and 161.812. Again, it's sort of a 15-minute situation at the moment as well. Otherwise, London breakout strategy. So wait for the first 1 hour bars. You can see the sellers are coming in. Draw your range on that. Break to the downside. Get your shorts. Stop is above the top of the range. And moving on to Euro British Pound. And we've had a pretty solid breakout on the weekly here. I'd still want to see some kind of a pullback onto a bit of structure, and those are the 3 levels that we have. We'll get to them now. So this is the first one. We did get it on Friday, so there was a fairly decent opportunity there. You see the pin bar there. And here's another example of London breakout strategy. So first 7 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we go like that. There we go. And then you're looking for a break to the upside. There's the break to the upside, and you can see where the profit taking was happening right over there. So similar scenario today, although it's going to be a fairly small and tight range. So for me at the moment, to get rid of that, I think what we're looking for here is there's another couple of areas here. So I just want to get them all in. So there's lots of structure to the downside. So there is structure here at 0.85120, and also this 0.84673 to 0.84584 area. I don't think we're going to be hitting that. I think this is the zone to be paying attention to. So it's 0.85450 and also 0.85355. Look at your oscillators at the moment. Nice diversions here. Bit of a crossover happening. I think what you're looking at here is nice move up, flag break, and you're looking for a continuation to the upside. So pay attention to this area. That's why I'm saying London breakout strategy. If you just get to the 15 minute, at the moment it's really tight. So on the 15 minute, you're looking for a break and retest currently of 0.85534. Get that. Gives you an opportunity to start moving the upside. So at the moment we are ranging, so don't jump in at the moment, but wait for the European Open. Definitely a move to the upside here. Okay, so dollar is not looking too exciting, but the pound is getting a bit of a hiding. So any of the pound pairs, an actual pair, what you're looking for is weakness, weak pound against any other currency, or any other major currency, should I say. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.